You turn on the machine, you wait until the temperature comes to 194 degrees. After that, if you want to use the curve, you flick to the curve, you turn on the main drive, you choose the speed that you want to use, and here you can see it's the length. The length when I choose here is 840 mil, which means I'll calculate it, I measure from here to the end, which is about 800 mil, and I'll give the tape 2 mil front and back. So to activate the machine, we use the pedal, and you press the pedal, machine start pulling the tape, which is 2 meters a minute. You will see the tape is coming from here, close over, and you start pushing against the wheel and follow the wheel. You push, 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 push. You come to the curve, you turn around, and you keep pushing, pushing, pushing. And you can see the machine cuts the tape by itself. So we're gonna have a little bit less length. This is how the tape is working, how the machine is working. Okay?